Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mr. Martin at the school. Hey, this is going to be Greta Thunberg reading English packet, news to you, week 5, and this is going to be the video 2. Remember, I can only do about 12 to 15 minutes on this, so let's get started. Okay, so remember I left off at the capitalization at this page. We did the Earth Day, April 22nd. So now on this one, we underline, let me go ahead and read it. Underline the letters that should be capitalized. So remember, the first word of every sentence should be capitalized, okay? I'm going to say Earth should be capitalized. It's a specific name of a planet. I looked up change, like climate change. So parents, if you're listening, some people say that climate change should be capitalized, both climate and change, and others says not. So I'm going to go ahead and underline it. Okay, next one. Okay, this one is capitalization and punctuation. So what you do on the first one, if you read here, circle all the capitalization and punctuation errors. That means they made the mistakes here. You circle where they made a mistake, and then you write the sentence with the mistakes corrected. They tell you how many errors. One is wrong here. So let's go ahead with number 1. It reads, many people celebrate protecting Earth on Earth Day. There's one error. It has a capitalization, so that's not it. But if you come here, Earth Day, well, Earth Day is like a specific holiday, like Christmas, Halloween. So the E should be what? Capitalized. So we're going to circle the E, and when you write it, well, okay, I should put it here. When you write it on the line, make sure you what? Capitalize Earth Day. Okay, number 2. Greta gives speeches about climate change. And it has 2 errors right here, 2 problems. This is the one where I had to look up Google. So some people are going to say Martin's right, and other people are going to say I was wrong. So it is what it is. So Greta gives speeches. Well, speeches is capitalized. Speeches is not a name of something. It's not a name of a speech. It's not a name of a person. So I'm going to circle this one. And when you write it, it should be what? Small, not capitalized, okay? And I'm going to say, is climate change? This is the big question I had, but I'm going to say climate change. I'm going to say change should be capitalized. And again, other people are going to say it shouldn't be. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, we're on the same page, guys, number 3. Let's go and read it. Many people think the climate is changing, okay? So in this one, it has how many errors? 3. Well, many people, again, people in general is not specific. It doesn't say many Martins or many Hunters or many Dianas. Okay, it's not specific. So this P should be small. Okay. Should think that climate is changing. It doesn't say climate change, so it's not a specific name of something. So in this one, climate. So climate is just how the weather is most of the time. That's what climate is. What is weather most of the time? So this one should be what? Small when you write it. Okay. And let's go with the P. A small P should be here. Now the third one, what's the third one? Did anybody know? Aaron, Lamar? Well, it's missing a what? A punctuation at the end. So remember, you got to look for that. It should have a what? Period at the end. So when you write it, make sure you put a period. Okay, now we're on to the next page. Okay, we're on paragraph completion. Has all these boxes, and you fill in these words with the boxes. Okay, let's go over these words real quick. Speeches, laws, earth, idea, think, important, protect, climate change, and weather. Okay. So we'll call this box number 1. Number 1. Okay, many people want to blank the earth. Okay, what do you guys think it is? Many people want to protect the earth. Many people want to idea the earth. Okay, number 1 would be what? Protect. Okay. 2, one person who wants to protect, what is it? Anybody want to protect? Important or protect Earth? Protect Earth. Okay. And we'll do one more on this page. Is Greta Thunberg. Greta gives blank about climate change. Okay. What does she do? She goes around and she tells people about it. If you tell something about it in front of a group of people, you're given what? Speeches. Okay. Go ahead and finish the page. Okay. Next one is write a story. You write a story using these words, okay? And try to only use one of these words in the sentence. So your story should have how many sentences? At least 5, okay? Important, climate change, earth, people, protect. Okay, remember, you should start with an indent. That was just when you go on the side of the page a little bit. Start with a capital. Right, so I can not see it, but I can read it. Right, like not giant letters. That's you, Hunter. Okay, right, neat. That's you, Aaron. Okay, so I don't know. You might want to say, what you think about it. You could say like, I think it's